Hello friends, today I will show you how to make thumbnail for YouTube in a free software called GIMP. In this video, I'll just show you how to blur the background and write your thumbnail description on it. For this, first you have to go to Google. It is a free software. You type GIMP download. Old stable download, anyone, you download it. It's a free software. You can chill out after that. I have already downloaded it. Here it is. I have saved on my taskbar. You open it. Keep in mind the GIMP software, it works on layer basis. I have not worked in Adobe Photoshop or anything. I am just a beginner. I just learned this thing last week in my weekends. What a wonderful use of weekends. I don't have more friends here. I stay alone. So peace out. The thing with GIMP is you drag and drop your pictures. This is my photo which I had taken last week. I'll just drag and drop. Oh, sorry, my bad. First you have to select File, New. Thumbnail is 1280 by 720 pixels. Pixels you can increase. It's the YouTube thumbnail, normally it takes up till 640 is minimum. I'll make 640. Sorry, I was choking on my own spit. Here I don't know anything because I'm also a beginner, and this was, I searched for a lot of YouTube tutorials. All they were giving a 40-50 minutes of tutorial that was of no use to me. So this is how it works. I'll just give a 5 or 3 to 4 minutes of a tutorial which will help you. This one here you can change your this thing. If you are in different country, you might be using different parameters for your measurements. I'll choose pixels. I'll keep this as it is. I'll select OK. This is the first layer. Here the layer description you get. This one is background. You can change the color. I'll let it be white. You can choose from here. You can select your own color. I'll let it be white. And here is the foreground color. So this is the first background layer. I'll bring my photo from desktop. Here, what is this? 1 second, I'll close this one. Here I'll drag and drop it. Now my picture is too big for this thing. I'll just choose images, fit canvas to layers. Now the picture is too big. For this video I'll just be blurring the background images and making it little bit blur. So you have to go to this icon. It is path tools. If you are using a different version, some other place it might be, but this is the same thing. Here you'll click on this and you select the paths. This is a quite time taking step. You can fast forward it if you don't want to see it. I have to contribute to the 10-minute timeline which YouTube is making me do for my videos to be recommended to different people. So I'll be taking my own sweet time. You can just skip it, fast forward it, whatever you want. My goal here is to let you just know how the process works, because I'm a nice guy. Here I want my, I'll get up, sorry for that thing, excuse me. I want my MIDI to be there, MIDI keyboard. The last one I was I searched everywhere but I couldn't. I figured it out myself later. You just click the last box, you click it on the first box and you press enter. It will select it. That's it. The path which I wanted to select, it is selected. Now I'll show you two steps. What you can do is, First, if you want to delete the background image, you just go over here, select, invert and delete. The background will get deleted, and the background, it will show you the what background color you had chosen. Some choose white, some choose brighter colors, because it is more people like to keep some bright colors in the thumbnail, make some expressive face, but I don't like that, so I'll undo it. It is still there. Now I want to keep the background little bit blurred. I'll choose my filter, blur. I'll choose this Gaussian blur. Here I through your mouse you can choose how much blur you want to make. I'll keep the rest as it is. I'll do OK. Here background is little bit blurred. Now I'll make the thumbnail over here. People like to use bold letters in their thumbnail pictures. I'll also use type C. I'll make some bold letters. I'll choose this Chianti XBD Beauty. How to make thumbnail. Exclamation mark, exclamation mark, exclamation mark. Now I'll choose the colors. You select all this thing. Here is that box. Here you choose the color. I like it to make it bright. I'll make it bright. Okay. Padak, it became bright. Now I'll reduce the size to see how this thing looks. This will be how my thumbnail will look. Capish? Oh, my bad. I don't know what is capish. I just said it like that. Here, I'll export it. Thumbnail. I'll save it to desktop. .png. Export. I'll keep it as it is because I am a beginner. I don't know how all this works. But what you want is this. Export. Thumbnail. Here it is. You can choose according to your choice how big you want to make it and how small you want to make the thumbnail. For my thumbnail, which you'll see in the beginning of my video, that I have taken some time and chosen my style of this letters and everything. But this will get to you a little bit if you have some free time on Saturday and Sunday and you record and wanted to make some videos and upload some good thumbnails. This will do it for you. So see you later. Okay, bye. Cha-cha.